Hi everyone, I received the Wonton in a Million Lunar New Year Advent Calendar and I wanted to share with you all what it is. This is such a cute box. I can't wait to see what's inside. So here is everything inside. We're going to pull out each day at a time and I'm going to have my daughter help me open them. Here is day one. It's such a cute little box. I'm gonna have my daughter open it.
What's inside?
Pull everything out gently.
There's a cute little tape roll. Oh, what's else? There's more. More little tape rolls. This one.
Pull out everything.
Okay.
So it came with these washies. Anything else?
Yeah. Here's a book like this.
And then here's the other washies. Here are these really cute little envelopes for the new year. This is super cute. This is a little welcome, and this is about day one for the new year. And it gives you a little bit of information, and it has up to 15 days in this box. And then a little welcome note, and then it has the little characters that they have. Super cute. So here is this little grid, little notebook. It comes with little stickers for day one. Then we have some cute little die cuts with all the little bunny rabbit. Super cute. And then that little countdown. And then we have this sheet of clear stickers. And we have more. So that goes in day one. And then the last set of stickers was according to how you want for your planner. So either big planner stickers, or I got one for journal because my planner is really small. So this is how the stickers came out. So there's this set. And this one. And then this page. This is all in box one, which is already a lot. This is all super cute. So unboxing of day one. Here is day two. Go ahead and open it. What is it?
I don't know.
Yes, it's a cute little, like, a kitchen towel. So it looks like. And then, oh, here is the day two little card. Here is the stickers. Day two, this is a little towel to clean your surfaces. Because cleaning the first days of the new year is strictly forbidden, as it is sweeping away all your good luck. That's cool. And so it gives more information. I think I really like this. This is cool. Here is a day three. Go ahead. Open it.
Whoa.
Okay, so these are decorations that you can put on your windows. That's cool. They're very pretty. So here is the little card for day 3. Here are the decoration little stickers, and this is information. These are decorations, so the red is the luckiest color in Chinese culture, and these little decorations, you can put them up. They are so cute. What is it?
It's a little handbag. It's a little headband.
Oh, how cute. Let's see.
Pictures.
How cute with the little guys, little characters on there. It's super cute. Here is the little character. And here are the stickers. And this says new haircut. You can do your haircut, clean the house, do laundry, wash your hair. Before that, you shouldn't do it because you wash away your good luck and your wealth and your good fortune. And don't use unlucky words. So that's cute. I love it. Beautiful. Look at these cute little socks. They're pink. So here's the little stickers. Super cute. And here is a little card. And then on the back it says new clothes. And it says you should get new clothes for the first day of the new year in the lucky color. I like this because it has a lot of information on it. So super cute. I really do like the socks. They're so cute. And they're pink, my favorite color. It's a notepad with the little characters on the side. So cute. So here is day 6 stickers. It says greetings. Here's a little note card with the information, and it says greetings. And it says greeting cards have their origins in ancient China and Egypt. They would wish their family safe and healthy passing into the new year. So they gave us a stationery pad so we can write a little letter to our loved ones. That is very, very cute. Here is day 7 little stickers. Here's a little card. It says flower market. It has informations. Flower market are a type of street fair held every week before the new year. Ooh, let me see the show the fan.
Here's the fan. They use it to cool themselves down when they're hot.
Look at the little intricate design on the stick part. That's cool, and it comes with a little tassel. That's such a cute little design. Very pretty. Okay. Little card. Here's a little card. Cute. And then reunion dinner. So it's a reunion dinner which takes place the night of New Year's Eve. How cute. And here is the little stickers. Oh, that's adorable. And look it. So cute. Very, very pretty. So here's a little card. Here's a little stickers. And this is New Year's Eve, and it talks about a legend. It talks about families would light candles, stay awake to protect their children. And they would give their children money in red envelopes as a way to bring them good luck. There's where the envelopes came from. That's cool.
These are the little stickers. It has a little back, has a back, and then it has a front. Then it has the little cards that we saw earlier, and it has a little cute bunny holding all the cards together.
Here's this cute little bag. Oh, I love it. Look at the little bow. And it's pink. It has pink, which I love. This is super cute. There's rose gold, pink interior. And it's wipeable. That's awesome. This is so cute. Day 10. Here is day 10, the little card. And it's New Year's Day. It talks about visiting family and friends. And they would make loud noises to keep away the evil spirits. So this is really cool. Here's a little card. Here's the little stickers.
And the little sticker has the plates, the plates that Maya that she's about to open. It has all these little cute plates. There's stickers.
These are actually coasters, Aubrey.
See, those are coasters.
These are cute little coasters.
Yeah, I really like it.
With this little, how cute! Cute little coasters. That's cool. This is day 10. Day 11, go.
Here's this cute little bunny. It's wearing pink and has a little flower parrot, and it looks so cute.
This is cute. Here's a little card. And here's the little stickers.
And the card has the bunny.
And it has, yes, it has the zodiac signs. And it tells you what sign according to your year. And this, of course, is the year of the rabbit. And then it talks about the zodiac sign. So here's a little bunny. It is so cute. I love it because it's pink.
And it's cute and squishy. You can have it because it looks so cute.
Yes, it's very cute. I love it. Here's the little stickers. Lion dance. Here's a little card. And then it talks about the lion dance, which happens Lunar New Year's for several weekends in a row. That's cool. This is a beautiful little magnet. Oh.
Yeah, and it and these stickers. This has a little magnets.
That is super cute. I love it. Day 12, go. Day 13.
Here are all the candies, and the sticker has all the candies that I'm holding in my hand. And
here's a cute little card that goes with it. It's called Day 13, Tray of Togetherness. They treat their guests with a little box that has 6 to 8 compartments, and it tells you what kind of things to put in it. And candy represents a sweet new year. That's cool. Here is a little card. Here is a sticker for day 14. Super cute. That's a cute little card. Year of the Rabbit. Talks about what to wear as far as jewelry, shoes, and clothes. I think that's neat. Open it. You want to open it? You need scissors? Look at this cute little bunny and her little dress. Little detail on the feet. That is super cute.
And here is a sticker, and this is the bunny. And the sticker is his cute little bunny.
And this is actually Juniper from Simply Gilded. I bought 2 of the blind boxes trying to get this one with the pink dress, and it's so cool. I finally got it, except for in an advent calendar. That is so cool. Super cute. Day 15. Anything? Here's the little card. Here's the little stickers for the Lantern Festival. How cute. So this is the very last day, and then they have the Lantern Festival. How cute. Let's see the lantern.
Here are the stickers, and these are the stickers of his sister. They gave these a cup, and here are the little rings.
That is so cool. I can't wait to put it together. Look how pretty it's gonna look. So I just finished opening up my little advent calendar. I can't wait to show you guys this was in it. And there was no instructions on how to do it, so I just put it together. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to hang it. So pretty. So I can't wait to hang it. Yay! Here is everything I received in the advent calendar. This is so pretty. Some of the stuff you really can't see. It's underneath, but so many things. This is by far the prettiest advent calendar I've seen. Thank you, Aubrey, for helping me.
You're welcome, Mommy.
You ready to pick some of the stuff you want?
Yeah.
Anything you want to say?
These are really cute. And I love you, Mommy.
Oh, I love you too. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.